Hello, if you are wondering what kind of the charger you can use with the Redmi Pad 2nd generation, then let me quickly explain. In my case, I'm using this one from Motorola and it's 125 watts. It's super powerful charger, but it will handle, the tablet will handle that charger. So this tablet, the Redmi Pad 2nd generation, support up to 18 watts fast charging. And you can use the USB power delivery or quick charge 3.0. You can use the original charger, but also you can use charger from third party like Green Cell, Basus, or for example this one from Motorola. So if you have much more powerful charger, then don't worry, it's not gonna damage your tablet. The tablet gonna automatically limit power that comes through the charger, and that's basically it. So what I want to say, you can use almost any charger. For sure, for your safety, it will be the best to use an original charger, but you can use almost every one.